Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about what is CICD. There may be many new developers who have heard of this term, but may feel hesitant to ask their seniors or colleagues because they might think it makes them look foolish. But the truth is, we all start from somewhere, and it's okay to ask questions. Even if you ask your seniors or colleagues, they may not have a complete understanding of CICD, so don't be too hard on yourself. I'll tell you from the beginning what exactly is CICD. Words explained in Chinese. CI is continuous integration. CD is continuous deployment. What? What is continuous integration? What is continuous deployment? Let me explain briefly here. CI is automated integration, while CD is automated deployment. In simpler terms, it means that the computer does the integration and deployment tasks automatically for you. But this may still be difficult to understand, so let's use an example. Let's say you're building a website for a client. Without CICD, the process might look something like this. Step 1. You finish building the website on your local machine. Step 2. You test the website on your local machine and make sure everything works. Step 3. You then need to transfer the website project to your company's testing server to run some tests. How do you transfer the files to the testing server? You might do it manually by copying and pasting the files or using FTP to upload them. Step 4. You test the website on the company's testing server and make sure everything works. Step 5. Finally, you give the client the website URL to see the finished product. All of the above 5 steps are done manually, but what if all of these steps were done with CICD? Scenario 2. CICD is set up. Step 1. Local testing is successful. Step 2. Here is where things start to differ. First, push the GitLab. Step 3. Before CICD is set up, everything is done manually. But after that, everything is automated. The testing server has CI/CD tools installed. Let's say Tool A. Tool A continuously detects new versions of Git files in GitLab. You can think of it as detecting every second. When Tool A detects a new version of Git files, it will fetch the new Git files from GitLab to the testing server's temporary folder. Step 4. Tool A recompiles the fetched project. Step 5. After recompilation, Tool A runs unit tests on the project. Step 6. If unit testing is successful, Tool A puts the project in the website's folder. Step 7. After Tool A completes all processes, it sends an email or Telegram message to notify you. You can also set up notifications for Line, etc. The above CICD process is complete. Step 8. You can test on the testing server again to ensure everything works properly. Step 9. Provide the website to the client. As you can see, there are many more steps involved, but they are all done at the beginning. The manual process of uploading files is taken care of by Tool A, and it will notify you when it's done. This is the main function of CICD. Of course, some people may argue that uploading the files themselves is also quick and easy. That's not wrong. However, it depends on the type of business your company is in. If your company is 1. A contracting company, because many of the projects that contracting companies take on are one-time. The files are small and there are no issues. 2. Companies with large projects. For example, game or technology companies that have their own product output and require frequent modifications. If you have to manually copy or use FTP after every change, the process becomes complicated and risky. There is no absolute right or wrong choice. It just depends on your current needs. However, if you use CICD, you may wonder what tool A mentioned earlier actually is. 1. Jenkins. Jenkins is a classic CICD tool that can handle most situations. It can be installed directly on your computer or through Docker. 2. GitHub Actions. GitHub's cloud-based CICD tool, but you must have your project hosted on GitHub to use it. If you use GitLab or Bitbucket, you can only use their own CICD tools. The previous steps are the main CICD process, which in short automatically helps you complete the file upload and testing on the server, making it more secure and convenient. Whether successful or not, it will notify you. In the context of just setting up CICD, steps 3, 4, and 5 belong to continuous integration, while step 6 belongs to continuous deployment. However, in the industry, continuous integration and deployment are usually discussed together, and it's rare to only focus on integration without deployment. Actually, there are many details to CICD, but this video provides a general understanding of the process in an easy-to-understand way for newcomers, giving you the opportunity to explain what CICD is to your colleagues. It's a deep topic, and the next video will teach you how to use Jenkins. See you next time.